awesome. I love dancing. I know, right? Dance can bring out the best in people. The definition of dance, to move rhythmically, typically following a set sequence of steps. Which also means to do awesome moves to music or your favorite song. What if I get stage fright? Getting stage fright. What if I can't dance? What if they hate it? What if I freeze up on stage?
Roxy! We're making this video to help people dance. Remember?
Oh, right. Today I'm going to be showing you a couple of dance moves. First is a move side and second is the position bug. Let's get to it. Okay, so first is bug. Bug is a very easy position. All you do is crouch down, put your knees to your chin and your arms to your sides. Just like that. Voila, that is bug. Next, slide. All you have to do is put your right leg out and drag your left foot in. Just like that. Now, put your arms in a diagonal line and slap them to your sides. Now, try that with the legs. See, you got it. Now, let's put bug and slide together. Hi, I'm Roxy, and this is how to do all of the best turns in dance. The first one is a chaîné. This one is really simple. You just focus your head straight onto a spot and turn, but don't move your head, just your body. This technique is called spotting. Then you turn with one foot always to the other side of your other foot, like this. Then we have a soutenu. This one is where you cross your foot over the other and turn with whatever arms you want. And done! Super simple. Alright, first is jazz square. Stand with your shoulders beneath your hips and your hips beneath your feet. Just like that. Now, take your right leg and cross it with your left leg. So you should look like this. Now, take your right leg and drag it behind your left leg. Now, repeat that pattern, like this. Right leg, cross with your left leg. Left leg, in front. Cross, in front. Perfect, just like that. Now, onto jazz square. Same thing with grapevine. Your shoulders beneath your hips and your hips beneath your feet. Perfect. Now, put your left leg in front of your right. Now, take your right leg and take a step back. Then swing your left leg back. Now repeat. Roxy, what are you doing? You're supposed to say bye to the camera. Bye! Taylor Swift, I love you! Bye!